A warning tonight from health officials in Cuyahoga County and across the state as they are monitoring a potential measles outbreak in an unvaccinated household. Their message is clear. Make sure your children are vaccinated.
One of the reasons that we are so concerned about measles is how infectious it is.
According to the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, one child in a home has a confirmed case of the measles. Two other children in that same household have presumed probable cases.
I think the message to the public in terms of this outbreak is that there's minimal exposure to the public.
Health officials believe the children were exposed to other kids with the measles while traveling during the holidays. The Board of Health didn't say where in the county the family lives.
They've been following up with them and making sure that they are isolating and not spreading the infection during their infectious period.
Doctors say the measles looks like this. The rash typically starts on the face and spreads throughout the body. Other symptoms can include runny eyes, sneezing, and coughing, and patients can end up with pneumonia or other complications.
Measles is really one of the most contagious diseases on the planet.
Dr. Claudia Hoyne, a pediatrician and infectious disease physician at University Hospitals, says if you believe your child has been exposed and is not yet fully vaccinated, see a doctor immediately.
One really great way of preventing the measles from happening if you're over 6 months is to actually give that child the vaccine. So you would want to get that in within 3 days of an exposure.
Measles can spread quickly. One unvaccinated person can infect upwards of 18 people who are not immune. But 2 doses of the MMR vaccine are 97% effective against the disease.
We know that the vaccines are safe and effective, and have done a really great job of people not understanding what measles really is because they've worked so well for so many years.
Last year, Ohio saw confirmed cases in these 8 counties. The most cases, 16, were in Ashtabula County. Cuyahoga and Holmes counties in Northeast Ohio also saw cases. And the director of the Department of Health is urging parents to trust their doctors.
Your child's doctor knows your child's individual health care needs the best and is well situated to help you and guide you in making the best decision for your child.
Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff also talking about the recent changes to the vaccine schedule made by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. While many are still recommended for all children, including the MMR vaccine, others are now only recommended for children at higher risk. But Dr. Vanderhoff says those vaccines are still good and doctors will still recommend them.